Okay, in summary, the legal maxim harm must be eliminated. Ad-darar yuzal indicate that any hardship, any difficulties, anything that harm to you physically or spiritually must be eliminated. So the example as I mentioned to you before, if you are in a situation where there is no food for you, where there is no clean water for you at that time, maybe in that situation, in that situations, the available product, the available haram product. So in this case, right, for example, in order to protect yourself, your dignity, you are allowed to consume that kinds of the product, even though that product is originally not haram. So this is in line with the legal maxim saying that harm must be eliminated, ad-darar yuzal. I think this legal maxim also been applied during COVID-19. At the early stage of the outbreak of COVID-19, there is no vaccines, there is no medicine for that. At that situations, we are what we call in difficulties to find the solutions, and finally there is what we call several kinds of the vaccine has been produced, and because of this legal maxim, right, we consider as an emergency period, and in line with this legal maxim, harm must be eliminated. Many fatwa been used, been worded to say that to inject with this kind of vaccine is permissible according to Islamic law. And of course, they also support with another legal maxim. But one of these legal maxim also very important, because ad-darar must yuzal, right, in this case.